Hey guys, PCMax Tech, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install Ubuntu to a VM. And the first thing you want to do is install the Ubuntu ISO file, or just download it to your desktop, or somewhere where you know where it's at. And then you want to go into VirtualBox, create a new machine. I'm going to name mine Ubuntu machine. This is based on preference, just give it how much RAM you want. And create a virtual hard drive, VDI, dynamically allocated, and I'm going to make this 20 gigs, and I'm going to mount it to my external hard drive. And then click create, and there you go. And before you start the machine, you want to go into settings, go to the display tab, enable 3D acceleration, and move this slider to at least 64 megabytes. And the reason for this is because Unity 3D on Ubuntu 12.10 eats so much of your video memory. So after you do that, you want to go to storage, and under controller IDE, click on the empty disk, and then click on this disk in the sidebar and choose a virtual CD DVD disk file. And then you click on your ISO, and then you click OK. And now you have it set up, and you can start the machine. And it'll show you the screen, this little purple thingy, and then it should show you a terminal of some sort, but you don't have to type anything in. And there's the terminal screen I was telling you about. And now we're actually in the Ubuntu installer. We just gotta wait for it to load. And there we go. Now you want to click on Install Ubuntu. And I usually tick these two boxes because I just want the stuff to be on there when I install it. And you can click Continue. And you want to go down here to something else, and then click Continue. And then you want to click on New Partition Table. Don't worry about this. This is just a virtual hard drive, so you're not going to lose anything. So click Continue. And on the free space, you want to click it, and click the plus arrow, and put this on 512 logical swap area. And then you want to click on free space, click the plus arrow, and make sure that this number here is the same as this number, or else you're going to get a weird error. And now you want to leave everything else the same, and on mount point you want to set it to the / or the root directory, then click OK, then click Install Now. And then you can go ahead and tell your location, and test your keyboard. And you go ahead and type in a username, change the name of the computer to Alex VM Ubuntu, and then you can go ahead and type in your password. And you can either choose login automatically or require a password. I'm just going to log in automatically. And then you click continue, and you just gotta wait for it to install. Okay, there we go. And now we need to restart the machine. And now since the system's going down for reboot, it may ask you to open up the disk tray and then hit enter. Because I know that's what it does on the actual CD. And if it doesn't shut down soon, which I'm thinking this one might not, we can go up here to the machine and go to reset or ACPI shutdown. So yeah, I'm thinking this probably isn't responding, so I'm gonna go ahead and reset. And now it should be loading up Ubuntu. And there we go. I'm gonna go to full screen. Oh, that didn't help. Okay, well, here we are in the Ubuntu desktop. So, yeah, that's how you install Ubuntu on a virtual machine. Thank you for watching the video. Please leave a like and comment, tell me what you thought of it, and subscribe for more.